Reckless driving is really a major issue people have to contend with. Reckless driving is a serious moving violation and basically implies that the driver doesn't have an intention of obeying the law of the road. Oftentimes, these actions may cause serious accidents that can hurt or injure themselves as well as other people. Many states made the decision to take reckless driving more seriously and have increased harsher penalties as well as charges for the people who drive recklessly. We are here to help you recognize how reckless driving can put other people in danger, plus highly recommended some ideas that can help curb reckless driving. How others are impacted by reckless driving. Reckless drivers can be very unsafe on the highway and can cause some serious injury to themselves and others. Needless to say, you are at greater risk being in an accident. Several states identify reckless driving for particular infraction. For instance, traveling 100 miles per hour in a 30 miles per hour zone. Finding and catching people that continue to drive recklessly is a great problem for police department as a result of the insufficient information to prove that the driver was in fact responsible or not. This kind of behavior exists on the road, and only a number of them got caught by law enforcement. The penalties and the way to reduce reckless driving. Each state possessed different level of penalties for those who drive recklessly, which is dependent upon the severity of the accident. Numerous states have increased fine and their punishments for reckless motorists, especially for the ones who injure or hurt another person when committing this act. Whenever a reckless motorist is found guilty of killing another, they can even be charged with vehicle homicide. Penalties for reckless driving might include jail or prison time, hefty penalty and fees, being out put on probation, or even they can even have their license taken away or suspended. A great tool for this problem are to install a dash cam for every motor vehicle on the road. This device will record current rate of speed and location of automobiles. These recordings can help determine the driver was being reckless or not. Police officers can then use this information to help capture a reckless driver on the highway. Reckless driving is really serious moving violation, which can cause serious injuries or death. The easiest way to avoid reckless driving is to basically follow the rules of the road. Without these rules to prevent accidents, the road would be unquestionably turned into chaos. For people who continue to drive recklessly need to be penalized for ignoring the law. Ideally, one day reckless driver will learn their lesson and improve their own driving habit to really make the road a secure and peaceful environment for everybody.